Jacki St here. I'm here with Duncan MacPhail of MacPhail Dentistry, and he's been doing our horses for years. We absolutely love him. He's a peach. So I have some really tough questions for him today. So, first one is, what is your specialty, and why do you stand out in this field versus, some other of your competition?
Well, what I've been working on for the last 11 years that I've been doing this is working on horses without sedation, doing full mouth professional dentistry. So that involves looking at the whole mouth with the aid of a speculum and using hand tools to complete the job without having to sedate the horse. So it's less stressful for the horse, and it's a quick and painless procedure, and I get to interact with the horse, and the horse is wide awake for the whole thing. So if you want to go for a ride when I'm done, you can do it.
Nice, that sounds awesome. So did you go to school for this?
I did. I went to school in Idaho at the Academy of Equine Dentistry in Glens Ferry.
Did you party at all?
Yeah, a little bit.
Maybe just a little bit.
Goes hand in hand with
right.
horse dentistry school, yeah.
So another question I have is, what is the difference between power tools and just the things that you do? Like, what are the benefits of doing what you do versus power tools?
I think that power tools have a place in the world of equine dentistry. I think that they're only as good as the person who's running them. I also think that 90% of the time they aren't necessary. I feel that it's a lot safer and a lot less stress to the horse to do it with hand tools. It's also more appealing to me because I get to interact with the horse. I'm learning something new every day about horse psychology and behavior, and to me that's one of the big rewards of the job.
That's perfect. My next question and last question was going to be the toughest one, is what makes you want to do your job every day?
It's the horses, definitely. I really like spending time with them. All their personalities are different. I have to tweak my approach to them depending on what type of animal they are, how they're feeling that day, what's going on in the barn. And then I like the challenge of getting the job done and getting it done correctly and making it a pleasant experience for the horse and myself.
Awesome. So another question is, how often do you use sedation in your everyday work?
I would say that I use sedation approximately 10 to 15% of the total number of cases that I work on.
That's amazing.
Yeah, I think I'm very proud of the fact that I can do what I do with the majority of the horses that I work on. I think sedation is a great tool if you're in a situation where the horse is potentially going to endanger itself, or if I'm in danger. Sometimes the horse has a dental condition that's causing discomfort or pain. In that case, I think it's easier to get the job done effectively using sedation. If sedation is called for, then typically a vet will come in and provide the sedation legally. I can't do it. Sometimes a horse owner will provide it. It's up to them to decide which way they want to go.
So it's like natural horsemanship of the dentistry world.
Yeah, I mean I mean horsemanship is a huge part of what I do. I mean, obviously you need to know what you're doing as far as the dentistry, but the real trick to it is to figure out how to get that done in a way that's acceptable to the horse and easy for the horse to understand, and make it a pleasant experience for everybody.
Nice. Well, thank you so much for meeting with us.
Thanks for having me.
I'll get him to stick around. Maybe he can work on my teeth afterwards.
It'll be my pleasure.